Hi, my name is Ali from Taktet, and today I'll give you a glimpse about our solution. As we all know, energy waste is invisible but costly. Most small-sized to medium-sized companies, schools, hospitals, and even apartment blocks can't track usage or emissions. As green rules grow, simple, affordable tools are required because the existing systems are too complex and expensive. Energy bills show totals but lack context. Without knowing what's efficient, it's hard to judge usage, cut waste, or link consumption to carbon footprint accurately. Now I'll walk you through our system and I'll show you what impact will it have for the energy sector.
With more than 25 years of combined experience in industrial automation, our team has found most systems overly complex, needing constant expert intervention to remain operational. Our solution is designed to change that. It's easy to deploy, user-friendly, and empowers users. It simplifies energy data, offers clear insights, and helps customers resolve issues without needing technical expertise. We built an affordable pro-grade energy platform for data capture, storage, and visualization. It's easy to integrate, scalable, and shows users how, when, and where they can use energy. While we are in the early stages of deployment, our platform is built on a clear expectation that by making energy data visible, accessible, and actionable, businesses and institutions will be empowered to identify inefficiencies, reduce waste, and make smarter decisions. Whether it's a school cutting down unnecessary usage after hours or optimizing equipment schedules, the potential for meaningful energy savings and corresponding carbon reductions is significant. We are building a tool that's not only tracks energy use but translates it into environmental impact, helping users understand and reduce their carbon footprint from day one. Our long-term goal is to empower every building, such as villas, shopping centers, schools, and hospitals, to monitor and manage their energy footprint without technical expertise. With the prize money, we will scale production, improve our analytics engine, and create open training tools for customers to act on their data. We believe sustainability starts with visibility. By making energy data accessible to everyone from students to large industries, we are enabling smarter and greener choices. Support us, and you support a world where efficiency and sustainability are within everyone's reach. لنعمل معا نحو مستقبل مستدام يضمن الازدهار الأجيال الحالية والقادمة.